Valve still hasn't released the new Armory update and a lot of people are currently panic selling the investments. A lot of high tier skins are dropping in value, but I'm still out here buying some mil-spec skins from the train collection. To be exact, in the factory new condition, I think the UMP late night transit is dropping in price a little bit too much. Upon the removal, I can see it rising again. I mean, the market is always like that, very fragile, right? And also, in my opinion, it's also a great time right now to go ahead and grab some of these play skins from the Armory if you ever wanted them, because some of these are really beautiful, and even though it's a mil-spec skin, I think it has a lot of potential, right? The MP9 Latte Rush has also a lot of potential, and this skin obviously also crashed because it's from the train collection and a lot of people are currently selling off their investments, but I'm also grabbing some more of these. As you can see, we've just bought one more MP9 Latte Rush. I just think that this is a really beautiful skin, and even though these are very cheap, like in the field tested condition selling for $25 somewhere in that area, I think this will be a nice play skin and people will be actually also using these in trade ups, which is nice. The Desert Eagle Mecha Industries from the Danger Zone collection has currently dropped in price quite significant, over 20% to be exact. In my opinion, it's a great, beautiful looking play skin. I will be definitely using this myself, but a lot of people are currently selling it. I'm not sure. I mean, the whole market is currently going down. There's so many opportunities out there, and let's go ahead and take a look at the graph of it. I mean, ever since the gold trade up update or this skin being pumped, I'm not quite sure, it was around like 27 euros a few times. As you can see, it always spikes, comes back down, quite very volatile. And over the past few months, we've went all the way from like 20 euros, even over 20. Some of these were sold for like 23 on third-party websites. These are obviously cheaper. Also, I think this is a very underrated skin. Yes, it's a light blue skin, but you need to understand that this P90 leather is from the baggage collection, one of the oldest collections in the game, and I think it looks kinda cool. I mean, there's obviously not a lot of hype around it, but also the price has moved a lot ever since it was basically introduced to the game. Obviously, over the few years, the supply has been already going down. Skins.com is a CS2 marketplace where you can buy and sell all your favorite and desirable skins. Compared to other sites, when selling your skins, you have 0% fees. On top of that, you also have a huge variety of deposit methods and many different ways to withdraw, connect with other players and trade your items safely through the secure system. Make sure you go and check them out, click the link in the description. But over the years, you can see it up on the graphs, the supply of these is definitely going lower and lower, and prices are obviously rising because there's not a huge supply of these out there, right? I think the baggage collection holds even more nice skins. As you can see, the Desert Eagle Pilot is also from the baggage collection, and I think in CS2 it definitely got a nice overhaul. It's looking very nice. I like the gold accents, it's minimalistic, just what I like. This one is in the battle scout condition, as you can see. I mean, obviously the factory new condition is gonna be very expensive up on those, but some people also enjoy the battle scout condition, and to be honest, I wouldn't have told that this is battle scout. And this is the factory new condition. I mean, obviously you can tell the difference. Battle scout is like worth 80 euros up on the Steam community market, meanwhile the factory new condition is like 300, which is absolutely expensive, I understand, but I think long term it's gonna rise only up just because the supply of these is not huge. Not a lot of people are ready to buy these, but the investors are definitely stacking up on these, I think. The minimal wear condition of the Desert Eagle Pilot has also completely exploded. We were like at 4 euros when it got released. Ever since we went up to like 50, and right now we're selling for all-time highs almost. But as you can see, sometimes these skins are dropping by a lot up on the Steam community market, which is very insane in my opinion. But the Desert Eagle Naga that we've been covering in our previous videos is looking very similar to it in my opinion. It's from the Chroma collection, also a very great collection, and this one is way cheaper, but the lifetime graph of it in the past year, this skin has absolutely exploded, unlike some other skins that are currently dropping in price. As you can see, in a very short time we went from like 6 euros all the way up to like what, 63, and then we've crashed all the way down to 55 right now. It's absolutely amazing what some of these skins are doing up on the Steam community market, but I think there's still a long-term future because a lot of people are still opening cases, they're enjoying them and doing trade-ups, so these will be definitely used up over the years. Alright, it is time to reveal the winner of the Glock 80 Nuclear Garden giveaway. If you want to participate in future giveaways, you have to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, comment something down below. We are always choosing random comments once a week. Alright, in this week's video we'll be choosing this one, the new CS2 Armory update today, but it didn't actually release. Valve completely baited us. Let's go ahead and paste the link. Let's fetch it. Let's see how many comments we've gotten. I wish to all of you in the comments the best of luck. 97 comments in 3, in 2, in 1. And the winner of the giveaway is Omaromari2871. Congratulations, bro. Just like that, you won the skin. And don't forget to put your Steam trade link in the description. I mean, he's playing Valorant. Guys, do you think we sent him this skin? Obviously, I'm joking. The next skin we're giving away is this MP9 Arctic 3-tone. I mean, currently they have slightly dipped in price, but I think the long-term future of this skin is there, because it will be definitely used up over the next course of the next couple of years, right? So if you want to participate and win this skin, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, comment something down below, and make sure that your Steam trade link is in your YouTube description so I can see it and send you the skin right away if you win. I wish to all of you in the comments the best of luck. Let's get right into the next investment on our list. And before we cover the next investment, I've bought some new gloves. So this is what we're currently getting, the sport gloves, ultra violent, in my opinion, definitely clean looking gloves. I've always wanted them. Currently they've dropped in price by a lot, and honestly I am not sure if they're gonna drop even further, but this is a play skin for me, so that's why I don't really care if they're gonna drop by a lot or not. I really enjoy them, and I've always said that about these gloves. The AVP Black Nile from the Anubis collection is definitely a great play skin, and a lot of people are underestimating it. I mean, just a few weeks ago it was worth around like 50 euros, and then we've crashed all the way down to like 34 up on the Steam community market, which is kinda insane ever since we've rebounded slightly and going sideways. So let's see where it goes. I think there's a lot of potential to this. I mean, as you can see, the AVP Black Nile is definitely looking very great. I mean, in game it's even better than up on the screenshots, because this has that 3D effect to it. It's a black skin, and a lot of people are liking the clean black skins just because they look very realistic, right? A lot of these SG Berry gel coats in the Factory New condition, and generally speaking the graphic design collection skins are currently dropping in price by a lot. So I think there's still a lot of potential to go ahead and grab these. You can find yourself some nice floats up on this, just like this one for example, 0.002 in the Factory New condition. Obviously not a lot of people are gonna enjoy this skin, okay? It's just a red skin with a smiley on top of it, but it's one of the rarest skins from the Armory, and over the next couple of years these will be definitely used up in trade-ups, and the supply of these will be only decreasing. It was the shortest sale in the Armory currently ever since Valve is not releasing anything new right now, so it's definitely something interesting to take a look at. I think the graphic design collection still has a lot of potential. I mean, ever since it has been removed it has risen, right? And that's why we're also waiting for the current Armory to be removed, but a lot of people are saying that it's gonna happen next week probably, so we'll see where it goes. I will be definitely farming also some more Armory Stars, so let's see where it goes. The Orc Lil Pig is currently dropping in price quite significantly, as you can see up on the Steam community market, and on third-party websites these are selling for way cheaper. I mean, the minimal wear condition upon these is definitely dropping as well. As you can see, we've been already like at 140, 220 euros, and ever since we've crashed all the way to 131 on third-party websites, you can find these almost for 100 euros, somewhere in that area, and that's a similar price before it has been removed, right? I mean, the double the price, but the supply of these is actually super limited. This is just an example, but there's only 7,500 of these in existence in the Factory New condition. I mean, generally speaking, not a lot of people were invested into this collection, and they actually didn't care about the little pig, but I think in the future, in a couple of years, these skins will be definitely performing very well. That's at least just my own prediction upon those. If you want to save some money, the minimal wear condition, there's like only 10,000 of these out there, so it's also kinda rare if you ask me. So you could definitely also find some nice floats just like these ones, as you can see. I mean, the craziest part about it is if we compare it to the Latte Rush, it's definitely even cheaper than the Latte Rush, and it's rarer, right? And it's actually removed, unlike the Train collection, because Valve is still teasing and milking this whole Armory rotation because we haven't seen a new update. Apparently it's not gonna happen this week. We'll have to see where it goes. And if you're interested in more CS2 investment videos before the next Armory update, definitely go ahead and watch our other videos. Join our Discord, the link will be down in the description.